In this task, we are going to install PostgreSQL server on our Nautilus DB server. So I already connected to it. So I'm gonna install install PostgreSQL server, PostgreSQL contrib. So once you install them, then do PostgreSQL setup in a DB. So that's gonna initiate your Postgres DB. So let it be done. Then do PostgreSQL setup init DB. So this one is going to initiate PostgreSQL DB. So it's been initialized. Start the service systemctl start PostgreSQL. That looks fine. So let's it already created a PostgreSQL user as well. If you check under past ability, so you could see that username. So let's switch to that user. Sudo -u, then Postgres and PSQL. Okay, now we are in. Now we're going to create this database user Kodekloud team as well. We're going to set up with the password, this one, and we're going to create this DB. So let's do that. Create user. Okay, I'm just going to make sure just copy and paste. Copy and paste. Then with the password, put the password in single quotes. Then we need to terminate this command with semicolon. So that's it's created role. Then we need to create database. The database name is this one. Then terminate. Then we need to grant permissions on this database to this user Kodekloud team. So let's do that. We can do that with a grant. We're gonna give all privileges on database and give the database name. Then give that username. It's a Kodekloud team, so we're gonna give permission to this user. Then terminate. Okay, let's put this DB name in double quotes. Still privileges spelling, that looks good. Oops. Grant all privileges. Oh, I'm sorry, that's a typo. Yeah, that looks fine. So once you done this, if you let's exit with /q. Okay, now we have to if you want to connect to this Postgres database, we have to enable local access. So for that, I'm gonna edit the configuration file for this. So var lib pgsql and data. So there could be PostgreSQL, I believe. Yeah, that's the file. So then press slash, type local, just local. That's enough. Now you got it here. So just remove this that hash before, press X, then press escape and shift ZZ. So that's been edited and saved. Then we have to, as per the task, so if you look here, so database through make appropriate settings to allow all local clients, local socket connections to connect to the Kodekloud DB80 database through this user using MD5 method. So for that, we need to edit pgh, yeah, pghp.conf file. So if you scroll down, scroll down once. Now here you could see a local, it says peer host, peer ident and host ident. So just change these two ident to MD5. MD5 MD5 and that P to MD5 as well. Let's save and exit. Let's restart the service. Systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Okay, that's been restarted. So let's check the connectivity. So in order to do that, we're going to use psql. Then we're going to use user Kodekloud tree. Then give the database, that's Kodekloud DB8. And the host is localhost. Either you could put localhost or you can use 120 is that loopback IP 127.0.0.1. Let's do that. Let's copy the password for this user. Now we are in. Even that's a slash q. Sorry. Okay, even you can check with that loopback IP as well. That's 127.0.0.1. Put the password. Now we are in. So if you check the task results now, it should be done. Yeah. Thank you for watching.